Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. Let's play a little bit of a negotiating game right now. But you got to play along with me. Let's suppose that I've really got to sell this car. And it is highly doubtful that I've had any other offers for it. So tell me, when you approach me to purchase this car, what kind of offer are you going to give me? Are you going to give me a high offer? Are you going to give me what Kelley Blue Book might say is a fair offer? Or are you going to hardball me? Come on, tell the truth. You're going to hardball me. I'm in a tough spot. I've painted myself into a corner. I don't have any other option. So why do so many of you, not necessarily you individually, but you in general out there, medical group leaders, allow yourself, your group, your practice, your facility, whatever it is, to be painted into a corner in terms of the strategic position you hold and then negotiate from? We've talked about this before. If in the context, say, of an exclusive contract, you're an emergency medicine group, a radiology group, an anesthesia group, whatever, that is dependent upon an exclusive contract at a hospital, and the hospital knows that this is the only hospital at which you provide service, and the hospital knows there are alternatives to replace you, then you've already put yourself in a disadvantaged position when negotiating with that facility. The facility knows that if you don't make a deal, then the reason for your existence is moot. Think about strategy in negotiation in a much larger manner than one normally thinks about it. It's not the hostage negotiator system. It's not the win-win system. It's greater than that. It's the strategy, the grand strategy that you've adopted for your group and what position it puts you in vis-a-vis any particular situation. Think strategy in a much greater sense. Don't paint yourself and your group and your future into a corner.